my respected colleagues, Dino Melaye, Kogi West. Mr. President, I want to repeat what has been said by Senator Ibn Nala in a more brutal form. What the Nigerian Custom have done by this announcement, Mr. President, is pure advertisement of incapacitation and incompetence. Mr. President, an innocent Nigerian who will go to Kano or Kubwa, approach a dealer and bought a vehicle from a dealer 5, 6, 7 years ago, will now be stopped for stop and search by custom on the streets. Perhaps on a day he's rushing his son to the hospital, and they will now ask him if he has paid correct duty for the car he bought from a dealer. He was not the one that cleared this vehicle. He's not the one that imported this vehicle. Mr. President, I was thinking the Controller General of Custom will react to what the Senate has said, to stop wearing agbada up and down and wear the uniform of the Nigerian Custom and be proud of the Nigerian Custom. Then he will identify and know how to do the work properly. Mr. President, it is ridiculous that no Nigerian went to Tinkan or Wharf in Apapa and drove out an imported vehicle without the satanic collaboration of custom officers. It is not possible for you to import a vehicle, you go to Tinkan or Wharf and just enter the car and drive the car out of custom premises without the collaboration of custom officers. Having failed in their duties and responsibilities as a result of indoctrinated and imbibed corruption, they now want us to pay for their incompetence and their failure. It will not happen in a democratic setting where you have a vibrant, sincere, patriotic 8th Senate under the leadership of the irremovable President of the Nigerian Senate. Mr. President, I want to ask, we should send a message to the Controller General of Custom. All things have passed away. Behold, everything has become new. He should please go and man our borders. He should preach to all custom officers to become born again, to start collecting appropriate amounts for custom and import duty, not to chase innocent Nigerians who are hungry and they are on 001 to come and pay for a car they did not import. The hunger in the land is enough, the confusion in the land is enough, and this is the reason why President Olusegun Obasanjo banned custom from exercising and chain vehicles on the road in 2007. Because this will become another avenue for custom to start collecting 100 naira, 200 naira. They are corrupting them on the streets of Nigeria. So please, Mr. President, the appropriate committee must call the Nigerian Custom to order and protect the masses of this country, the Talakawas and the Mekunu. Thank you.